Learn how to make fried cassava with Chef Joshua Musisi. I'm here to show you the two versions of making fried cassava, the coated one and the uncoated one. So for the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipe. So these are the ingredients we need. We need fresh coriander, we need spring onions, we need red onions, we need garlic, but optional. We need bay leaves, we need salt, we need turmeric, we need reiko, we need wheat flour, and we also need cassava. So we are going to need, to get our saucepan, you're going to apply spring onions. After applying spring onions, you're going to apply the red onions. After that, you're going to apply some crushed garlic. After that, we are going to apply some fresh coriander or oatmeal. After that, we are going to apply the bay leaves. After applying bay leaves, we are going to give it a toast or a taste. We are going to apply some salt for taste. After applying salt, we are going to apply some turmeric for color. So we apply turmeric for color. Then after that, we are going to apply our cassava, our sliced cassava or chopped cassava. Then we are going to half boil the cassava. You have to make sure that the cassava is half boiled. We need it ready, but not ready. We need it not to be too hard and not too what? Too soft. So we are going to start with the first version. The first version, we are going to put our oil on fire. Then after that, when the oil is ready, we are going to deep fry our cassava until crunchy. This one is not coated. You're going to deep fry it until crunchy and crispy. Remember, this is Chef Joshua Musisi. For the new viewers, please subscribe now. So we are going to make some preparation for the second version. We are going to mix wheat flour. After applying wheat flour, we are going to apply reiko. We apply reiko for taste. So after that, we are going to balance the taste. We are going to put some sugar. Then after putting sugar, it's optional. Then you put some water. So make sure that you mix the mixture. We need the mixture not too thick. We need it somehow running. We don't need it to be thick. So apply a little water, or if you have milk, you can also use milk. So you're going to go back to our first version. You have to make sure that the cassava is ready, is crispy, is ready. So after, when you are serving it, you can serve it with some fresh red onions, because these red onions will help you to get or to improve the taste of your what? To improve the taste of your cassava. So this is our first version, the fried plain cassava. Then for the second version, we are going to get our half-boiled cassava, the one we boiled. After that, we are going to coat it. We are going to coat it in the mixture we did. Remember the mixture we did with wheat flour. So we are going to coat it, or we are going to take it through the what? The wheat flour mixture. Then after that, we are going to deep fry. We are deep frying until crunchy or until ready. Make sure that your cassava is half cooked. I repeat it. Make sure that your cassava is half cooked. This snack, you can serve it on breakfast, black tea, or evening tea. Since the kids are already, you can accompany them with porridge or tea, African tea or dry tea, anything of your choice. So for the new viewers, please subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipe update. This is Chef Josh Omusisi.